In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is for a 2021 Ram 1500. It should work for other years and other models. A lot of key fobs are really similar, so this process should work for a lot of them. Well, right off the bat, for a key fob like this, you'll need a CR2450 battery, and this is a really easy replacement, but you might not know where to start. So, first thing, you want to push this button, and if you didn't know, you can actually take the real key out of here. You can put that aside, and then the best way I have found to do this is right here on this side. There's this small gap, and you want to take a flathead screwdriver and just push it in there a little bit and twist it very carefully, and that will pop up, and then that'll give you a space right here. Stick that in there and pop it up on that side. And then you can lift this right off, and there's your battery. So now you can kind of push this battery down, get your screwdriver in here, and take that out. Remember which way you take it out. The positive is facing up, and they even tell you that right here. So you can take that one out. There you go. And then I'll open up the new battery. There we go. And then you can take your new battery. It says right here, slide down. So you put it in like this with positive up, push down, again, 2450, CR 2450, doesn't matter the brand. And then take the cover and match it up like this, and just squeeze it, snap it into place. Just make sure it works. Cool. And you can put your key back in. You should be good to go. Hopefully this video helps.